right before the big season opener, we went to Cars and Coffee, but right now we're actually recording, shut up truck, we're actually recording some Ferraris. So I'll get a couple of cool clips of that for you guys. And then we're gonna head to the big season opener, show off the new Dixie horn bracket that we made today, or yesterday. Here are the Ferraris, and I forgot to mention the Porsche. We also have a really nice Porsche here too. That Porsche is crazy. Oh wow, I'm gonna have to take some pictures too. This looks great. All right, there's a couple pictures for you guys and some video. We're running out of time to get to the preseason opener, so we're gonna head out. The Durpamax is on a racetrack. How crazy is this? This is pretty cool. And this is just before the gates open to the public too, so this is gonna get a lot more busy here soon. There's noises coming beyond the stands though, so I wanna see if there's a way that we could see up there. If not, whatever, but it's gonna be a fun one.